Hi guys, welcome back to Success Pen channel. Today I'm going to discuss about operators in Python. This is the second video about the operators in Python. Previous video I was discussed about arithmetic operator. This is the second video, that is a relational operator. So what is the meaning of relational operator means? All relational operators will return either true or false. True means 1, false means 0. It will show in terms of 0 and 1 in binary format. So let me start. First one is equal to, this is the symbol. Not equal to, this is also symbol. Less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to, and less than and greater than. I will show you the example, then you can easily understand. Let me consider two variables, a equal to 20, b equal to 25. Okay. A, this is means a equal to 20, b equal to 25. So a equal to b means false. 20 equal to 25, it's not true, so then it will represent false. So a is not equal to b means it's a true, and a less than equal to b, this is true. A greater than equal to b, it is a false. Then last but one, a less than b, this is true. A greater than b means 20 is greater than 20, 20 is greater than 25 means it is a false. So these are the all relational operators. So let us stop here. If you really understand my session, like my session, subscribe my channel. Thank you.